Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X7 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. If you want to, you can do it using this Google section, but I prefer different ones. So let me tap on additional settings, scroll down and enter accounts and sync. Then let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly, at least try, and then tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, just tap on it and learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course you can also remove it whenever you want to, just go to the same section, so as you remember, additional settings and accounts and sync, and tap on your Google account. Then tap on the three dots icon and remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see it will immediately disappear. Of course be aware, because if you've got the screen locks or fingerprints or face data, you'll have to confirm everything with entering that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.